Hello guys, I'm here with the Sony Ericsson Xperia X10, and the reason for me being here today is obviously the new custom kernel was released on XDA developers today thanks to zdzihu, uh, I'm killing his name here, and other devs. Sorry for not mentioning your names, but I'm sure you know who you are. Anyway, as you can see here, this is a standard X10, X10A I have to say, honestly. AT&T locked. The reason I have the back cover off is because I sort of forgot the whole flash process. It took me a few tries to flash the new ROM into it. Anyway, the whole process is very simple, and I'm sure anybody here on the forums can do it. Um, I'm just gonna demo the fact that the kernel is real, and you might go and just as well flash it. So you press the power button. It's in the off stage. Boot up time is pretty much the same, and didn't see any significant changes in the performance of the ROM, but that's perhaps because it's stuck, and we all know that sucks. So here's the standard Sony Ericsson logo, but the startup logo is, as promised, pretty ugly. So that says here, not sure if I can focus on that. Something about Goroh. It's one of the devs. Well, one of the major devs. That's partly thanks to him that zdzihu was able to gain access to whatever he did. I'm not really sure about the steps that he took to do this. As you can see, the boot up is pretty much standard. We have signals there. I'm gonna unlock it. Gotta say, the home screen seems snappier than it was before. I'll give it a few minutes. As you can see, I have Wi-Fi connection. My network is detected. Data is correct. Everything is correct. Yeah, as you can obviously see, it's snappier than before. The app drawer is smoother as well, not as laggy. Although still, you can't expect much from the Sony Ericsson stock ROM. I'm just gonna go to settings now, and oops, not settings, and show you the basic information. So about the ROM, as you can see here is the zdzihu. I'm sorry again, bro. I'm killing your name here. It's his kernel. Guessing everything works. I can't really test out tethering at this point or tell you if the FPS is really at 60 frames per second and not the 32 that it was locked at. As a matter of fact, if you hold on, now I'm going to install a tester. Right, so I'm back and I installed some basic benchmarking apps like FPS2D that zdzihu used in his pictures and Quadrant. So let's run FPS2D first, see what it tells us. Well, that's actually pretty impressive because of the fact that, as you know, the phone didn't approach 30s when we ran it in the stock kernel, and now as you can see, it's averaging at 52. So yeah, that was pretty much correct. So yay, no April Fool's prank there. Alright, let's run Quadrant. I'm sure the score is going to be pretty low since it's not GIT enabled, but you know. I'm not sure if you can see it there, but it says 15. I mean, it's averaging at like 15 frames per second, something like that. I'm not sure if that's higher or lower. I haven't ran this in a while. This, however, is averaging at 48 frames per second. And I'm pretty sure that's definitely higher. And this test is also averaging at 15 FPS. So let's see our results. Wow, okay, not sure what that's about. Well, I guess we won't see those results. So yeah, I mean, it works, everything's functional, and yes, we finally have a custom kernel booted into our phone. Thank you again.